One of the very good question. In this question, we will try to learn the relation between the roots and equation. That is the concept based this question is there. All of you know quadratic equation, sin cubic can be happen, power 4 can be happen, any degree equation can be happen. Like maybe, I'm sure everybody, since now you are preparing for IOQM, so it's expected कि any quadratic will have the two roots alpha beta. So all of you know alpha plus beta always equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. Alright. Basically, I will suggest you the way to learn this. Not quadratic, any equation. Let's say cubic equation. First thing, make coefficient of x the biggest power as a 1. For example, if suppose ax cube plus bx, to divide by the a, so that the coefficient of biggest power should be 1. So if suppose I say one equation is there, x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this will have three roots. Let's say alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. So always remember alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3. This is called as the sum of roots taking one root at a time. Sum of roots taking one root at a time. Are you getting my point? So in this case, this will be equal to first minus a. First, just leave this one here. After x cube, whatever is coming. Alpha 1, alpha 2 plus alpha 2, alpha 3 plus alpha 3, alpha 1 will be equal to, you take it, now come to the next one, but plus b. And alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 will be equal to, then here, see, this is the first one is the negative, then positive, then again negative, minus. This is the way it used to be written. The general formula is also there. The general formula, which, see, I am discussing problems, so I cannot discuss every general formula used to be this. Those who gone through the Hall and Knight book and are attended my lecture, they must be knowing. Minus 1 power r, coefficient of x power n minus r divided by coefficient of x power n. To get better understanding of this, just refer the Hall and Knight book. There will be the equation of degree more than 2 is there. You can use that one. You'll get the complete how to use this one. This is just extension of, means I use this formula and to write this one. So this is the concept involved with this question. Now let's come to the question. What is the question? Ki fx equal to this, gx equal to this, where a, b, c are integers. Suppose that the following condition hold. What condition? Ki f of 1 equal to 0. This is the first condition. And roots of gx and square of the roots of are the square of the root of fx. Basically, they should say roots of gx equal to 0. Gx doesn't have the root because gx is the expression. So there may be some printing mistake. So gx equal to 0 and fx equal to 0. If this equal to 0 having the roots and this equals to 0 having the roots. What they are saying? The roots of gx means roots of this equal to 0 are square of the roots of this equal to 0. Right? Very simple question. If you know this condition, the question done. I'm just making a little bit smaller so that I can get a space. Right? So now, actually, A, B, C are integers. They already mentioned. And yeah, A, B, C are integers. That's only things they mentioned. F of 1 equal to 0. ठीक है भाई. So first condition, how f of 1 0 means x equal to 1. If I substitute here, that is 0. It means 1 plus a plus b plus c equal to 0. This is my first condition. Whenever you are solving question, whatever the information is given, always write that information in mathematical expression. This is the first condition. We didn't start solving question. We did not start solving question. What we did, we just expand this info. Now, let's assume that let roots of x cube means fx equal to 0, x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. Three roots will be there because this is the cubic equation. So what the condition you got? Alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of roots equal to first one, minus A. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to second one, but sign change, plus B means B. And product of alpha beta gamma equal to minus plus minus, again minus. These are the one conditions, we got it. Now the same time they say कि roots of gx equal to 0 are alpha square beta square gamma square, means roots of x cube plus bx square plus cx plus a equal to 0 are alpha square beta square gamma square. Correct? So we will say alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, sum of roots equal to minus b. Alpha square beta square plus beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square equal to, means sum of roots taking two roots at a time will be minus c, plus c, and alpha square into beta square into gamma square equal to minus a. That's all. See how many equations we are having. One is this, 3 is here, 3 is here, to total 7 equations. And if you think there are the only 6 unknown is there. What is that unknown? A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma. That's all. Easily we can find A, B, C. Let's see what as easy I'm saying, is it there that much easy or not? So what we can do, we'll try to get because we have to get A, B, C. We don't require alpha, beta, gamma. So first thing very clearly I can say, is there something mistake? No mistake. Very clearly I can say these two I can relate. This and this. This and this. So alpha beta gamma equal to minus c, and this is the alpha square beta square gamma square equal to minus a. That means alpha beta gamma whole square equal to minus a. So means minus c whole square equal to minus a. So your first equation is ready, a equal to minus c square. A equal to minus c square. One relation between a and c I got. I want more relation between a and c. Suppose b also if I can get in term of c, so I will put in this equation and I will get the c. The moment when c will come, b and a will come, and then we can put it here and get the answer. Yes or no? So now b how will get it? B also we can get it. We'll try to square this one. So what you will get? Watch it. Alpha plus beta plus gamma, the whole square will be equal to minus a square, means a square. But alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square is what? Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to a square. But alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is minus b. So minus b plus 2 into alpha beta, this is the b, is equal to a square. Yes or no? So from here we are getting minus b plus 2b is the b. b equal to a square. b equal to a square. But I want everything in term of one variable. We see b in term of a in term of c. So why not b also get in term of c? So b equal to a square. A square will be what? C power 4. Yes or no? Now your b value also ready in term of c, a value already in term of c. This both I am putting in the first equation. First equation is what? 1 plus a plus b plus c equal to 0. 0 no? Yes. So a value, put it here. We will get 1 minus c square plus b value c power 4 plus c equal to 0. See, one variable equation we got it, and that we have to solve it. It's simple. So c power 4 minus c square plus c plus 1 equal to 0. Can we factorize? Yes. From here I am taking c square common. So c square common, so c square minus 1 plus c plus 1 equal to 0. So c minus 1 again, c plus 1 I can take common from here, because this factor is the c minus 1, c plus 1. So we will be getting c square into c minus 1. plus 1 equal to 0. So c plus 1 equal into c cube minus c square plus 1 equal to 0. Be clear. They already mentioned in the question कि a, b, c are integer. So one of the possible value of c equal to minus 1. And this cannot give integer. This cannot give integer. By either this 0 or this 0. But this equal to 0, c cube minus c square plus 1 equal to 0 never give integral root. Never gives integer root. Oral we can check. Sir, how? Watch it. Watch carefully, everybody. Suppose two possibility, bhai. If c is integer, so either c will be greater than 1 or c will be less than 1. Suppose c greater than 1. Imagine c is greater than 1. Some integer greater than equal to 1. C greater than equal to 1. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. So imagine c is bigger than 1. So 100% sure c cube will be bigger than c square. Or maybe equal. If it's equal. So c cube minus c square. Whenever bigger than one quantity power increase, the value will increase. So c cube is bigger than c square plus 1 equal to 0. Means this is the positive quantity. This is also positive. Sum of two positive never be 0. So c greater than 1 not possible. This will not give you integral root. Now another possibility ki c less than equal to minus 1. I'm sorry. C cannot be 0 because 1 cannot be equal to c less than equal to minus 1. C less than minus 1. So think very carefully. This I can write c square into 1 minus c plus 1 equal to 0. Or you can say equal to minus 1. C less than minus 1. C square is a positive quantity. C is the square is a positive quantity. C square is a positive quantity. But bigger than 1. And 1 minus c is also bigger than 1. 1 minus c, I did correct, no? No, sorry, I did mistake, I'm sorry. C minus 1, this will be c minus. This is some integer into integer. This is a negative, no doubt. C minus 1 will be negative. But this is the integer. This is the integer and this is also integer. Both integer product 1 minus 1. Only one possibility that this should be 1 and this should be minus 1, which is impossible. Because if this is the minus 1, so c will be 0. Think, if this is c minus 1, by c square, if I am saying something a into b equal to minus 1 and a and b integer, what is the possibility? You will say, sir, a equal to minus 1 or b equal to 1. Other possibility, a equal to 1 or b equal to minus 1. Okay? So c square cannot be minus 1, so c square has to be 1. And c minus 1 has to be minus 1. If c minus 1 equal to minus 1, so c will be 0, which is impossible because we already checked c is equal to 0 cannot be used. Are you able to understand? So that is the reason that this cannot give the integer. The only possible value c equal to minus 1. C equal to minus 1, so I will put it here to b equal to 1. And I will put it here to a equal to minus 1. Question over. A equal to minus 1, b equal to 1, c equal to minus 1. Put it here. So they ask you what? Plus 19. Okay. A power 2013. A power 2000. Maybe 2013 question this is. they create questions something like that. They use that year. 2013 plus b power 2013 plus c power 2013 plus 19. So a power 2013 minus 1 power 2013 minus 1 plus b power 2013 1. Plus c power minus 2, this will be again minus 1, plus 19. So this value will be equal to 18. So your answer is 18. It's a good question. Not tough question. I will not put category of the tough question. I will say good question because it teaches a lot. Two concepts it teaches to us. One, how you identify that this is not having integer root. Another, we understood this relations, roots and equation relation. Okay, so keep trying the question. Whatever the DPP is coming in your channel, please do that one. Go through solution till your examination. So many different variety of the question we will be discussing. So it will boost your confidence. Okay. The most important key, try the question. If you will not try, simply learn theory, nothing will happen. Olympiad is not like that. Okay. Chaliye. See in the next question discussion.